Manual massage. Clear channels, promote blood circulation, recommended duration, 10 minutes. Place the arms flat, and push the enter outside of the arm with your huku of both hands. Huku is the connection area of the root of the thumb and the root of the index finger. Soothing act. Warm the outside of the arm by rubbing it with bent fingers. Soothing act. Put the arm's inner side upward, and push the inner side of the arm to the armpit with your huku. Soothing act. Warm the inner side of the arm by rubbing it with bent fingers. Stroke arm to palm. Repeat on the other side. Wipe the treatment area with a towel and apply gel evenly. Treatment application. Clear channels, firm skin, and shape body. Select rejuvenation. Tap the treatment button. Choose Tight 02. Tap the start button to initiate the treatment. Lift slowly from the lower arm towards the elbow, and from the elbow towards the shoulder using the applicator. Move the applicator slowly in circular motions from the elbow towards the shoulder. Slowly lift the upper arm from the inside outward. Move the applicator in circles on the upper arm. Wipe the treatment area with a towel. Note: avoid sauna, hot springs, or strenuous exercise after treatment. Take a shower 4 to 6 hours later after treatment. Keep warm, do not eat cold, spicy, or stimulating food. Drink a lot of warm water, and keep hydrating to promote metabolism. Take 1 to 2 sessions a week, and a course of treatment is made up of 12 sessions. Contraindications: pregnant or lactating women, individuals with heart disease or pacemaker, those with unhealed surgical wounds or in the recovery period, individuals with epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, or malignant tumors, people with skin disease or infectious disease.